Hello everybody, Zachary Fruhling, aka CozyAzeroth here. I'm back with program number 15, Keeping Game Scores from the book 101, Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A Home Computer by Len Turner. We're going to read the program description, type it into the Classic 99 emulator, run it a couple times, see what it can do, and probably then end the stream and move on to the next one. I'm going to try to crank out a few of these today if I can. If you're watching this on YouTube after the fact, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel for other programs in this series, some other TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, and a lot of World of Warcraft content, along with some random educational content. If you're watching this on Twitch, same thing, check out my YouTube channel, and if you're watching this on YouTube, check out my Twitch channel. Okay, let's dive in. 15, Keeping Game Scores. Writing a computer football game, spelling bee, cave adventure, no matter what kind of fun you are preparing, you'll need a way to keep score. Here's how. The wealthy English Duke has just been killed in our little mystery game. In lines 10 through 160 of our program listing below, you play the game attempting to find out who done it. The trick here is in the scorekeeping. Note line 170. If you guessed correctly in response to the query in line 160, at line 175, the computer will give you credit by adding 1 point to your score stored in memory location R. It does that by comparing your line 160 answer stored in P string with the correct answer stored in A string. If you blew it and guessed wrong, the program drops below line 170 to line 184, where it increases your quote wrong score by adding 1 point to W. If you got a W plus 1 at line 184, the program moves back to line 100 and gets you to try again. If you scored a victory and got an R plus 1 at line 175, the program jumps to line 200 where it stops to display your total right and wrong score. After that, it's back to line 40 for a complete new run-through. Okay, so we've got a bit of typing to do here. Let's get into TI Basic in our Classic 99 emulator, my favorite emulator for the TI-99 4A. Okay, 10 randomize. That ensures we get a new run-through every time. 20, call clear. Okay, we skip line 30, it looks like line 40. That's one thing I wish the book hadn't jumped around quite so much. S equals INT of 7 times RND. Okay, line 50. Oh, I can go on mute for a minute. I'm going to go on mute for just a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. We just typed in line 40. Let's see, 50. If S is less than 1, then 40. 60. For L equals 1 to S. Okay, 70, read A string. $80, next L. $90, restore. Okay, 95, print. Who killed the Duke? Oh no, 95 is all these asterisks, so I gotta count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 asterisks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 100, print. Who killed the Duke? There's no extra spaces in there. No, oh, there's the space after. It's so weird. There's a space after Duke and before the question mark. But okay, we'll run with it. We'll see if that's a typo or not. Okay, 110, read. B string, B, C, D, E, F, G. B string, C string, D string, C, D, E, F, G. E string, F string, and the G string. Woohoo! Simple pleasures. Easily amused. 120, restore. I think that clears out the data statements, I believe. I don't remember exactly how restore works. 130, print. Let's just clear out the read statement, I think. Oh wait, 135. No, we have to go from 130 to 135. I hate how this book jumps around a little bit. It's one of the pain points of typing in these programs. Print, was it the... Was it the... ... Okay, 140, print. B string, C string, D string, E, F, G. E string, F string, and the G string. 150, print. 160, input whodunit. Let's get it exactly right. Here we have space, quote, and colon P string. 170, if A string equals P string, then 175. Now, I've got a couple of inserted lines here. It looks like 172 go to 180. $175, R equals R plus 1. R equals R plus 1. 176, print. 177, print. Okay, you are right. No punctuation, I believe. Yep. 178, print. It was the space semicolon A string. $179 go to 200. $180, print. $182, print. No, not the. No, not the space and then semicolon p string. (184) w equals w plus 1. W equals w plus 1. 186 print. Let's scroll a little bit here. 186 print. (188) go to 100. (200) print. (210) print. Your score so far is. Your score so far is. ... (220) print R. Okay, R semicolon quote space right end quote. Okay, we've got comma W semicolon. Okay, quote space wrong end quote, and I think that's the end of the line. Right. 230 print. That is space quote semicolon 100 times R divided by R plus W. R divided by R plus W. I did too many. Oh yeah, no, that's right. Do it the same way. Semicolon. Percent. I need an extra space in there. I'll have to see that when we run the program. Okay, 240 print. I feel like these were done in a little bit of a quick and dirty fashion. Like, you know, if I were writing these and making a book like this, I might have renumbered all the lines to use the standard, you know, 10 number increment for the line numbers. 250 go to 40. But when you got this many programs to write, you can't worry about it too much, I guess. 300. Okay, here's our data statement. Okay, data. Oop, not date. Data. Butler, comma nanny, comma gardener. That's not how you spell gardener, but I'm going to do it exactly as written, typos and all. Burglar, son, wife. Okay, data, butler, nanny, gardener, burglar, son, wife. All right, there we go. I think that's the entire program. Let's run it. Who killed the Duke? Was it the butler, nanny, gardener, burglar, son, or wife? Who done it? Take a screenshot here of this because it's cool. Okay, let's say butler. Did the butler do it? No, not the butler. Who killed the Duke? Was it the nanny? Okay, you are right. It was the nanny. So far, your score so far is 1 right, 1 wrong. That is 50%. So it doesn't actually clear the scores, I don't think. So let's try it again. Butler, not the butler. Nanny, not the nanny this time. Gardener. Oh, there you go. You were right. Score so far is 2 right, 3 wrong. That is 40%. Okay. All right, let's end the program. Let's run it once more. Okay, butler. No, not the butler. Was it the nanny? One right, one wrong. Okay, who done it? Butler. Not the butler. Nanny. So it just keeps score. Basically, repeats the game, but doesn't clear out the scores. Say son, not the son. How about the wife? Not the wife. Burglar. Not the burglar. Gardener. You were right. Your score so far is 4 right, 5 wrong. That's 44.444444%. All right. Well, let's run it once more. Let's clear it out. Run. It's kind of a fun little mini game. Butler. Not the butler. Nanny. Actually, did we have a randomized statement in here? Oh, we did. Okay. I'm sure we had a randomized statement. I couldn't remember if we had typed that in. Let's run it again here. All right, this time we'll go in reverse order. Wife. Not the wife. Son. No, not the son. There's a fly in here. It's very annoying. Burglar. Gardener. Not the gardener. Nanny? You are right. It was the nanny. All right. Well, that is program number 15, Keeping Game Scores from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer by Len Turner. If you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under my name, Zachary Fruhling, or under CozyAzeroth, for lots more Texas Instruments TI-99 4A content, some retro programming, retro gaming, lots of World of Warcraft live streaming, and some assorted educational content. And be sure to check out my Twitch channel under CozyAzeroth if you want to watch me do these kinds of streams on all the above topics live. If you're watching this on Twitch, same thing, check out my YouTube channel for all the above. And remember to like and subscribe in any case. I especially appreciate subscriptions. They really help me out. Thank you very much, everyone. I'll be back shortly with program number 16. Let's see what number 16 is. A little teaser for the next video. Batting average. So I'll be back soon with batting average. Excuse me. Take care. Thanks for watching.